Cooking healthy meals in just 15 minutes is not only possible but also enjoyable when you approach it with the right mindset, planning, and ingredients. The key is to keep things simple, fresh, and flavorful. Start by focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains that cook quickly and provide balanced nutrition. Imagine coming home from a long day, feeling tired, but knowing you can prepare a wholesome, satisfying meal in just a few minutes. First, let's talk about the importance of preparation. Before you even turn on the stove, having a well-stocked pantry and fridge can make all the difference. Keep staples like canned beans, lentils, whole grain pasta, quinoa, brown rice, oats, and a variety of spices on hand. Fresh produce like spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and fruits like apples, bananas, and berries can be your go-to ingredients. Having these ready means you're always just a few steps away from a nutritious meal. Now let's consider some quick meal ideas. One of the easiest and fastest meals you can prepare is a stir-fry. Simply heat a pan, add a splash of olive oil, toss in some sliced bell peppers, onions, broccoli, and carrots, and stir-fry for a few minutes. Add a protein source like diced chicken breast, tofu, or shrimp, sprinkle some soy sauce or your favorite seasoning, and you have a delicious meal ready in 15 minutes or less. Serve it over quick-cooking brown rice or quinoa for extra fiber and nutrients. Another great option is a healthy salad. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale, add chopped vegetables, a lean protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas, sprinkle some nuts or seeds for crunch, and drizzle with a simple dressing made from olive oil and lemon juice. In just minutes, you have a meal that's light, refreshing, and packed with vitamins and minerals. If you're in the mood for something warm, a quick vegetable soup is a fantastic choice. In a pot, sauté some garlic and onions, add chopped vegetables like zucchini, carrots, and green beans, pour in vegetable broth, season with herbs like thyme and oregano, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add canned beans for extra protein and fiber. Within 15 minutes, you have a comforting, nourishing soup ready to enjoy. For those who prefer something heartier, consider making a simple omelet. Beat a couple of eggs, pour them into a heated nonstick pan. Add diced vegetables like tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms, sprinkle with a little cheese, fold, and cook for a few minutes. Pair with whole grain toast for a complete meal that's high in protein and healthy fats. Another idea is a wrap or sandwich made with whole grain bread or tortillas. Fill it with hummus, grilled vegetables, sliced turkey or chicken breast, and some leafy greens. It's easy to assemble and makes a perfect meal for busy days. Smoothies are also a quick and nutritious option, especially for breakfast or a light lunch. Blend together some frozen fruits, a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder or yogurt, and a splash of milk or plant-based milk. In under 5 minutes, you have a delicious, nutrient-dense smoothie that keeps you energized throughout the day. Planning your meals ahead of time can make 15-minute cooking even more achievable. Try to set aside a little time each week to chop vegetables, cook grains in advance, or marinate proteins. Having prepped ingredients ready to go speeds up the process and reduces stress during busy days. Cooking healthy meals quickly is not about cutting corners on nutrition but about being smart with your time and resources. Choose recipes that use fewer ingredients, require minimal cooking, and rely on fresh, whole foods. For example, a quinoa salad with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, and a lemon olive oil dressing is refreshing and satisfying, and it comes together in no time. Another quick option is a grain bowl. Start with a base of cooked brown rice or quinoa, top with sautéed veggies, grilled chicken or chickpeas, a drizzle of tahini sauce, and some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. It's a complete meal that's as delicious as it is nourishing. Don't forget about using the oven for quick sheet pan meals. Toss chopped vegetables and protein like salmon or chicken breast with olive oil, garlic, and herbs, spread them on a baking sheet, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. While it cooks, you can prepare a simple side salad or a quick dressing, and within 15 minutes, you have a balanced meal that's full of flavor. Another idea is to make a quick pasta dish. Cook whole wheat pasta according to package instructions, and in a separate pan, sauté garlic, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and canned chickpeas in olive oil. Toss the pasta with the veggie mixture, add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and you have a healthy, hearty dish ready in minutes. Keeping frozen vegetables and fruits in your freezer can also save time. Frozen spinach, peas, or berries can be added directly to dishes like stir-fries, smoothies, or oatmeal without any thawing. This reduces prep time and ensures you always have nutritious ingredients available. Another tip is to use kitchen tools that speed up cooking, like a pressure cooker, air fryer, or microwave. For instance, a pressure cooker can cook lentils, beans, or brown rice in a fraction of the usual time. An air fryer is great for making crispy roasted vegetables or proteins with less oil and in less time. Cooking healthy meals quickly is also about embracing simple techniques like steaming, sautéing, or grilling instead of slow cooking or baking. For example, you can steam vegetables like broccoli, green beans, or carrots in just a few minutes and drizzle them with a little olive oil and lemon for a simple side dish. Grilling chicken breasts or fish fillets can be done in under 10 minutes, especially if they are thinly sliced or pounded to an even thickness. Sautéing vegetables and proteins in a non-stick pan with a bit of olive oil and seasoning is one of the fastest and easiest ways to prepare a meal. Think about meals like a veggie stir-fry with tofu, a shrimp and avocado salad, or a chicken and spinach omelet. Each of these can be cooked in 15 minutes, or less if you have your ingredients ready. Meal prep can also include portioning out snacks like sliced veggies, nuts, or yogurt so that you have healthy options on hand when you're hungry. This reduces the temptation to reach for processed snacks and makes healthy eating effortless. Cooking healthy meals in a short time doesn't mean sacrificing variety. With a little creativity, you can try different cuisines and flavors. For example, try making a quick Mediterranean bowl with hummus, olives, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and grilled chicken. Or go for a Mexican-inspired dish with black beans, corn, avocado, and a squeeze of lime in a whole-grain tortilla. You can also make Asian-style meals like teriyaki tofu with stir-fried vegetables or a Thai-inspired salad with shredded carrots, cabbage, and peanut dressing. These meals are quick, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs and spices to keep your meals exciting. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or basil add brightness, while spices like cumin, paprika, and turmeric can bring warmth and depth to your dishes. A sprinkle of chili flakes or a drizzle of hot sauce can also add a kick to your meal without much effort. Remember, cooking healthy meals is as much about mindset as it is about technique. If you approach meal prep with the idea that it has to be perfect or complicated, you might feel overwhelmed. But if you focus on simplicity, fresh ingredients, and easy methods, you'll find that cooking in 15 minutes is totally doable. It's also important to enjoy the process. Put on some music, get creative, and think of it as a moment to nourish yourself. In the next part, we will continue exploring more meal ideas, tips for efficiency, and ways to keep your meals balanced and satisfying. Continuing the journey of cooking healthy meals in 15 minutes, let's dive deeper into practical ideas that can make your kitchen experience more fun, less stressful, and highly nourishing. A great way to speed up cooking is by using pre-cooked ingredients. For example, buy pre-cooked brown rice, quinoa, or lentils from the store. These are available in vacuum-sealed pouches or frozen, and they save you so much time. When you need a meal fast, heat the grains in the microwave or on the stovetop, toss with sautéed vegetables, add a protein source, and season to taste. Another trick is to make use of canned goods like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They are packed with protein and fiber and require no cooking. Just open the can, rinse, and they are ready to go. A quick chickpea salad with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, a drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper is refreshing, filling, and done in minutes. You can also blend canned beans with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil to make a creamy hummus that can be used as a dip or spread. For breakfasts or light dinners, overnight oats are a fantastic option. Mix rolled oats with milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite toppings like berries, nuts, or honey, and let them sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you have a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed meal that takes no time to prepare. If you prefer something savory, try an avocado toast. Mash avocado with a little lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and spread it over whole grain toast. Top with a poached egg or sliced tomatoes for extra protein and flavor. Another quick meal idea is a grain salad with roasted vegetables. Roast a batch of vegetables like sweet potatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers in advance. When you need a meal, toss them with cooked grains like quinoa or farro, add some chickpeas or grilled chicken, and drizzle with balsamic glaze or tahini sauce. This combination is hearty, colorful, and packed with nutrients. If you love pasta, keep it simple with a light sauce. Sauté garlic in olive oil, add canned diced tomatoes, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and fresh basil. Toss the cooked whole wheat pasta with this sauce and top with Parmesan. This meal comes together in under 15 minutes and is bursting with flavor. Adding a handful of baby spinach or arugula at the end adds extra nutrition and freshness. For a protein-packed meal, try a quick tuna or salmon salad. Mix canned tuna or salmon with a little Greek yogurt or olive oil, diced celery, and herbs like dill or parsley. Serve it over a bed of greens, in a whole grain wrap, or on whole grain crackers for a light, satisfying meal. Another super quick option is an egg scramble. Beat eggs, pour into a heated nonstick pan, and add diced vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Stir until cooked through, season with salt and pepper, and serve with whole grain, toast or avocado slices. This meal is full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and it's ready in under 10 minutes. For a plant-based meal, try a lentil curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in olive oil, add canned lentils, a spoonful of curry powder, and coconut milk. Simmer for a few minutes and serve with quick-cooking rice or naan. The spices infuse the dish with rich flavor, and the lentils provide protein and fiber to keep you full. If you like tacos, you can make a healthy version by filling corn tortillas with black beans, sautéed peppers and onions, avocado slices, and salsa. This is a fun, customizable meal that's fast, nutritious, and satisfying. Soups can also be a quick option. For example, blend together canned tomatoes, cooked lentils, garlic, and a splash of olive oil to make a creamy tomato-lentil soup. Heat it on the stove for a few minutes, season with herbs, and enjoy a warming, nourishing meal. Keeping your kitchen organized can also make a huge difference. Store ingredients in clear containers, label your pantry items, and group similar items together. This saves time when cooking because you can easily find what you need. Another tip is to clean as you cook. Wash cutting boards, knives, and bowls as you go, so there's less cleanup afterward. This keeps your cooking area tidy and makes the whole process more efficient. When it comes to flavor, don't underestimate the power of fresh herbs, lemon, and spices. A squeeze of lemon or lime can brighten any dish, while fresh herbs like cilantro, parsley, and basil add a burst of freshness. Spices like cumin, paprika, turmeric, and garlic powder enhance flavor without extra salt or calories. Incorporating healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts also boosts the nutrition of your meals. They add satiety and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. A drizzle of olive oil over roasted veggies, a sprinkle of seeds on a salad, or a few slices of avocado on toast can make a simple dish feel more complete. Think of each meal as a balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables. This combination keeps you full, satisfied, and energized. For example, a quick meal could be grilled salmon with a side of steamed green beans and quinoa drizzled with lemon and olive oil. Another could be a chickpea and spinach stir-fry with whole wheat couscous. The key is simplicity. The more you practice, the faster you'll become at assembling these meals. Cooking healthy meals in 15 minutes is not just a skill, it's a habit. The more you do it, the more natural it feels, and soon, it becomes a part of your lifestyle. Think of cooking as a daily opportunity to nourish your body and mind. It's not about perfection, it's about creating meals that make you feel good. The beauty of 15-minute meals is that they allow you to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying life, while still eating delicious, wholesome food. So next time you feel too busy to cook, remember that a healthy meal is just 15 minutes away. You have the power to create something nourishing and tasty with minimal effort. Your health is worth those few minutes, and your body will thank you for it. Keep it simple, keep it fresh, and enjoy the process. Every meal you make is a step toward a healthier, happier you.